more person from Karbi dies of COVID-19. Death toll reaches 2. Villagers expose poor quality of work inside Bithung constituency. Virwar residents load EM Lunsing Teron for construction of sand gravel road. Hello and welcome to Karbi Live. I'm Jilly Hansupi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Karbi has reported another death by COVID-19 on Thursday, taking the death toll in the district to 2. Following this, fear and concerns among the citizens have been seen in the district headquarters. Karbi Autonomous Council Chief Tuliram Ronghang, however, has urged upon the people to remain calm and also assured that situation is under control. The person who lost his life on Thursday has been identified as 21-year-old youth from Langhin, a returnee from Chennai. The victim reached Guwahati on June 16 by flight and arrived in Parokhoa at around 8:30 p.m. the same day. He was brought to Bokalia Sunpura High School quarantine facility after health checkup. Owing to his deteriorating health condition, he was brought to COVID block in Diphu Medical College and Hospital and kept in isolation ward where he breathed his last on Thursday. EM Khonsing Rongpi informed that the dead body of the deceased will be cremated in Langhin.
তাৰপিছতে আহি পাৰুখোৱা সব চেণ্টাৰত তেখেতক সব লোৱা হয় সব চেণ্টাৰতো মানে তেখেতে আমাৰ মেডিকেল ষ্টাফক অলপ আপত্তি দৰ্শাইছিলে যে মোৰ হেল্থটো ইমান ঠিক নহয় তাৰপৰাই মানে মেডিকেল ষ্টাফে ডিফু হেডকোৱাৰ্টাৰলৈ ফোন কৰিছিলে আৰু যেহেতু তেখেতক মানে দুকাছেন এই সোণপুৰা হাই স্কুল বুকলিয়া তাত মানে লৈ যোৱাৰ কোৱাৰেণ্টাইন ব্যৱস্থা যিটো আছিলে সেইকাৰণে তাত ডক্টৰকো এই আমাৰ সব চেণ্টাৰৰ ডক্টৰসকলে যোগাযোগ কৰিছিল তো তাত সব লোৱাৰ পিছত আমি যেতিয়া বুকলিয়া কোৱাৰেণ্টাইনত লৈ গ'লোঁ তাত ডক্টৰ তেখেতৰ হেল্থ চেকআপ কৰি গম পালে যে তেখেতে প্ৰব্লেম আছে কিবা ডাউট আছে চিম্পটমেটিক বহুতো দেখিছে ডক্টৰে মানে আমাৰ মেডিকেল ষ্টাফে দেখি পালে দেখি পোৱাত লগে লগে ডক্টৰ মাতিলে ডক্টৰ আহি যেতিয়া চালে যে তেখেতৰ উশাহ নিশাহ ৰেছপিৰেটৰী ছিষ্টেমটো অলপ মানে গণ্ডগোল হোৱা দেখি পালে তো ডক্টৰসকলে ভাবিলে কি আমি ভেণ্টিলেশ্যন সোমাই দিম বুলি এই যা যোগাৰ কৰোঁতে তেখেতসকলে ভেণ্টিলেটৰত মানে লৈ যাম বুলি বাটতে তেখেতৰ মানে মৃত্যু হৈ থাকিল সেইকাৰণে তেখেতক মানে আমি ভেণ্টিলেটৰলৈকে মানে আমি লৈ যাব নাপালোঁ তাৰমানে
Meanwhile, 14 new cases of COVID-19 were reported from Karbi Anglong, taking the tally to 144, out of which 64 have been discharged and 78 are active. The total number of COVID-19 positive cases in Assam has climbed up to 4,777 with 2,111 active cases and 2,654 discharged after 9 deaths reported at the time this report was filed. On the other hand, Waisong Boys Hostel and Serdhun Girls Hostel of Diphu Government College have begun to function as quarantine centers as more numbers of stranded persons reach the district. Till Thursday, 52 inmates have been kept in Waisong Boys Hostel, while Serdhun Girls Hostel has 74 inmates. While taking to a reporter, the inmates of both quarantine centers have expressed their satisfaction on the facilities provided to them. Unauthorized movement of people to the hostel has been restricted in the quarantine facility. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Villagers of Sitolijan and Vomuatar under Bithung MSC constituency have expressed extreme disappointment after the newly constructed PMJSY road in their area, which have developed numerous cracks within few months of its completion. The villagers alleged that the contractor had used substandard materials in construction of the road. Villagers informed that the task of constructing the said road was allotted to one local contractor, Dilip Terang, but in reality it was executed by Bajong Tiso. The villagers further alleged that national quality monitors assigned with the task to monitor quality of roadworks done under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana has failed to carry out their duty as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Rural Development. Moreover, online monitoring of the progress report was also not provided by Ministry of Rural Development. The road constructed was so ordinary that even the metals could be easily removed with bare hands. Further, the extremely low quality of road is revealed by grasses that are seen growing from middle of this road surface. Frustrated with such poor construction work, locals have appealed the Karbi Autonomous Council and concerned authority to direct the contractor for reconstruction and repair, where necessary as per the road construction guidelines. Sarjip Engti report for Karbi Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back to Karbi Live. As promised to the residents of Virvar by the local MSC of number 15 Mahamaya constituency Lunsing Teron, the construction work of a sand gravel road from Rongkhelan and Mukasong via Jorteron and Menterang village is underway. This 5-kilometer stretch of road had been constructed by the local MSC from his own capacity. Hearing the news about the pathetic condition of road in the area, the EM along with his local party members have visited the place on June 2 and assured for early help. He further informed that a scheme has already been sanctioned for constructing a 7-kilometer long blacktopping road. However, scarcity of funds at the moment has delayed the work. Following this, EM Teron made temporary arrangement from his own capacity.
Kiba BJP pengketurun lonsin teron ake hai pan itu sar pan itu tala kilutar kuali jongjung pe na pia gagen itu ta kesuru.
Local residents of the area have lauded and expressed their gratitude for the kind gesture of EM Lunsing Teron and also thanked the Karbi Autonomous Council team and BJP party for their efforts to reduce some of their hardships and pain. Samsung Engti reporting from Dongmukak, Karbi Live. After not receiving any response from anyone, parents of 8-month-old Sengmir Soterangpi, who is suffering from strange illness, has made appeal upon the Karbi Autonomous Council and well-wishers for financial assistance for her immediate treatment. More from our Dolomara correspondent. According to her father, Anderson Terang, Sengmir So was normal and had no medical complications when she was born. But the little girl started losing her sleep and would only sleep for a short time every day. Sengmir So had gradually swollen due to reasons unknown to her poor parents. She was taken for medical consultation at Malasi Hospital, where the doctor told them that there is water in her head and could only be cured when water is vacuumed. Her father told Karbi Live that they do not have money to take their daughter to Diphu Medical College and Hospital for better treatment.
Dalam ranong chairman nong damlo kirap chang damlo setame fix salam bang nang pulun dela mane nang le tom Diphu panan Diphu along bensin nili ponang kolton po yasi alang ji chang no he setame ni tom so da ki pon pan bang tangka bang kanturi join desi ponong me right.
When asked if they had approached anyone for help, her father told Karbi Live that the VDC chairman Sarkoi Rongpar assured that he would contact them as soon as they reached Diphu, but has so far not received any help from anyone, and hence they are seeking the assistance of Karbi Autonomous Council and well expressing hope that their little baby girl would be healed if she received immediate help from all well-wishers. Meanwhile, well-wishers willing to donate money to the parents of the 8-month girl could send money to the account of family member Wilson Taru to his SBI account number 338-246-43497, IFS code SBIN 0009403. RG Sonrongpar from Dolomara, Karbi Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Live.